Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cece and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll just be showing you guys how to make some basic clear lip gloss without any color. So if you want to see how I did these, stay tuned. I'm going to start off with my Versagel, and this is from TKB Trading. This is literally the last bag I have left. So I'm just going to be pouring some into the container, and it is from the 99-cent store. You could get about 100 for $1. So that's what I'm doing here. I'll be using some fractionated coconut oil and some vitamin E oil. The vitamin E oil does look like it have a little color, but when you really put it in the Versagel, it doesn't have any color. So basically, all you want to really use is coconut oil and vitamin E oil. Those are the main oils. Per usual, I'll be using the polyisobutene. This makes your lip gloss appear shinier, and it does make it, how do you say that? It makes your lip gloss smoother. I'm just going to go ahead and start mixing everything together, and the polyisobutene also helps make your lip gloss a little thicker if it is too runny. For my flavoring oil, I'll be using Get Sucker Cotton Candy. Now I'm just going to be placing the lip gloss tubes on the rack. This rack is from Amazon, and I will leave the link down below, but it makes my life so much easier. So yeah, that's what I'm doing here. I'm gonna start filling up the lip gloss tubes. I'm going to be wiping off the opening of the lip gloss tubes as well as adding the stoppers and the caps just in case you guys do see any fur. Well, it's not really fur, but it's from the paper towel because somebody had the nerve to email me and tell me about this. So I'm just letting you guys know that it is from the paper towel. So these glosses are part of my wholesale bundles. I will leave the link down below for that as well. These cannot be customized. They are already made to order. So yeah. That's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video. Mwah.